Good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to STEM Lockdown Digital School, and it's Friday. So we are going to play Kahoot, and it's going to be testing you on everything we've been learning this week. I am going to wait a while. Just want everybody to log on, as many as can. So we'll give them a few minutes just to get the pin in and get entered in before we actually start. Okay, so welcome. If you're new, we don't do this every day. We're just doing this on a Friday so that we can practice what we've been learning. Okay. And the goal is to have fun learning. Hello, Michael and Kiara. Welcome. Nice to see you. Hello, Fancy. Is that your name? Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Awesome to have you. Hello, Zinzi. Good morning. Savannah, I did get your email. And yes, your worksheets are being prepped at the moment. They're almost done. And they're going to be flying your way soon. So if anybody else wants to send me the email address, please email me. And then I can at least send you some notes if you want them. Okay. So don't forget about that. How can you make your screen that shows the pin small? I'm not too sure how you would make it small. Yes, this is grade 6, natural science. There's no rush. I am giving everybody a chance to join. Usually we have more than 11, so we will definitely have to start latest at 1:15, okay? Welcome, Leah. I am waiting, don't worry. Yeah, we do. We're going to have a lot of fun today. Don't you worry. Welcome if you're new. We are going to be practicing this term's work on today's Kahoot. So we're going to have a little bit of fun with our learning. So welcome. I'm going to give those who are still trying to join a bit of time to join, okay? Welcome, JD. Welcome. Okay, so we have 16 players. We want to get it up to at least more than 20. Don't be shy to join. We all here just have a little bit of fun to learn and to see what we can do and what we remember. It's okay. You can change it next time, as long as you're here. I am good. Thank you for asking. Oh, we have 21 players. This is getting good. We're going to have so much fun today. Very good. 23 players. Awesome. Welcome, George. Very good. Welcome, Tiffany. Awesome. Savannah, are you coming on okay? Okay. All right. What do you need help with? Do you want to send? Can you guys just copy the link and put it on the chat for Savannah? It will be easier. Okay, awesome. We don't mind waiting for you. We've got a great class here. Absolutely great class. No, it's no problem what name you use. Nice to meet you, Maranwa. Great to have you. We are welcome. Anybody who wants to join our classes. We have a great group here and they're incredibly patient and kind. Okay, Michael wants to do the jokes while we wait. Remember, we are going to start at between 10 and 15:15 because we can't leave it too long, okay? Okay, so Tiffany says she can't get in. Okay, Tiffany, go open a new tab, a clean tab, and type in kahoot.it. It'll take you to a page where it asks you just to add in the number. Okay, so let me see if I can get a page for you. All right, so there we go. So you type this in, and then this is going to be your password for your code to enter. Okay. Okay, true. Some might need to download the app, but we've got a few more minutes. We've got a few more minutes. Don't panic. There's 24 of us. I'm sure we can. And remember, you can join while we are playing. So don't panic if we've already started. You can still join. Please join, even if we're busy, okay? Doesn't matter. Okay. So it is 10 past, okay? I'm sure it's okay to play it on Chrome because that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm also doing it via Google Chrome. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, but don't stop trying to get in. Okay, keep trying. And if you have any questions, just ask in the chat. We have lots of friends that are willing to help you. Okay, all right. We can always play the game again if we have time, remember. Okay, so we're going to start because we can't start too late. How are we getting on? We've got 24 players. I thought we had 25. Yes, Tiffany, I'm going to wait because I can see you are trying. So I'll give you 3 more. I can give a few more minutes. Okay, kind of ready. Yeah, Tiffany, you were in. Okay, we got 26 players now. Nice. That is also true. Yeah, I have to move the chat while we're playing. That's very true. Okay, so we've got 2 more minutes. "28 players, woohoo!" It's the wrong game pin. Okay. Maybe you can go out and go in again and try again, because we're all using the same pin. Okay, whose hand is up? Okay, we have 29 players. You're doing very, very well. Triasha, I can't actually do the pick up the hands, unfortunately. My nickname or your nickname? What is your nickname? Tiff. Okay, let me have a look if it's here. No, I don't see it. Oh, good. Oh, good. Maybe it's still coming in. Please don't give up, even if we start, okay? Yeah, we've got Libby. We've got Libby. We've got Tiff. She's in. She's in. She's in. Awesome. Okay, we have 30 players. Wow. Okay, we are going to start now. If anybody else wants to join, you can join in. Even while we're playing. Okay, so here we go. There are 33 questions, okay? And they are going to be about what we learned today. Right. The first one, you have 30 seconds for each, is a syrup, a solid, a liquid, or a gas. You just click the answer you think. Good job. Well done. Well done. It is a liquid. Next, we have question 2. What is paint? Solid, liquid, or gas? Whoop, whoop. Well done. It is a liquid. Very good. Well done. Next, we have a what has a definite shape. Choose between gas, liquid, or solid. Well done. Very good. It is a solid. Next, we have the particles of a what are not connected to each other. Very good. Particles of a gas are not connected to each other. Good job. Now we have a liquid takes the shape of its container. Is that true or false? It is true. Well done. Next, we have something is when a liquid turns to ice. So what do you call that? Well done. It is called freezing. Freezing. Good job. Are you ready for the next one? What do you call it when ice turns into liquid water? Good job, melting. Very good. Well done, guys. You are on a roll. Look at that. Having fun. Right. When water vapor turns into liquid, what do we call that? Very good. Condensation. Now remember, the pictures that I've chosen are there to give you a clue, okay? So just also look at the pictures. Nice, nice. Look at us go. What is when a liquid slowly dries up and turns into water vapor? Very good. It's evaporation. Well done. Now we're going to see, oh, look at that. Everybody's having turns to go to the top. Freezing is when water changes from a liquid into a gas. Is this true or false? It is false. Just remember, guys, don't get despondent about losing or winning. This is about learning. Okay, so if you don't do well, don't feel bad. We're just learning it. It's just a little bit of fun to practice what we've done in the week. Okay, so please just don't feel sad. All right. Okay, melting is when a solid changes into a liquid. Is this true or false? Very good. It is true. So when we melt something, we are changing a solid into a liquid. Why can't you see? Okay, now we are going to go to the next one. For water, both freezing and melting occur at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this might be a guess for some of you because we didn't actually, this is just I'm throwing in there to see what you think. Well done. Very good. So it is true. That was a tough one. It is true that water can freeze and melt at 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, since you can pour sand into a cup, why isn't it a liquid? So yeah, I've got some answers for you. Each particle of sand has no definite shape. Each particle has no definite volume. Each particle has a definite shape and volume. Each particle of sand has no definite shape and volume. That was a tricky one. That was a very tricky one. If you look at the first answers, it says each particle of sand has no definite shape, but it does have a definite shape. Number 2 also says each particle of sand has no definite volume. But it is true, sand does. So look at the words that are used there, okay? I have to throw in a challenge now and then, otherwise it's not going to be any fun. Okay, so next one. You can't usually see gases in the air. How can you observe gases without seeing them? You can feel the wind blow. You cannot observe air movements such as waving. You cannot feel the wind blow. So look at the picture as your clue. How can you observe gases without seeing them? Yes, you can feel the wind blow. Can you feel water in the air? So can you feel water in the air? There's true or false. So yes or no, true or false. Half, half. Wow, look at that. You can feel water in the air. Remember when you get so hot that you sweat? Air does not have mass? True or false? This is an interesting one. False. Air does not have mass is false because air does have mass. How do you think it fills up a balloon? Okay, so it does have mass. Insoluble means something can't form a solution. Is this true or false? It is true. So when something is insoluble, you cannot make a solution out of it. It cannot dissolve. Okay, next. What is soluble in water? Oil, Tinkerbell, salt, or baking soda? What is soluble in water? Very good. So you can either choose baking soda or salt. They're both correct. Well done. What does soluble mean? Will dissolve, how much dissolves, will not dissolve. Guys, if you're going to be rude to each other, we're going to have to block the chat, okay? It's really not cool. We're just playing a game and learning together. Well done. Will dissolve. So soluble is when something will dissolve. Will dissolve. Very good. Okay. Next. Good job. Some of you are absolutely great sports. A solution can contain a soluble and insoluble substances. Is this true or false? If we're going to be rude and fight on a Friday, then we're not playing Kahoot on a Friday anymore. It's that simple. Thank you to those who are being great sports and playing nicely. Well done. There we go. It is true. A solution can contain soluble and insoluble substances. Why? Oh, this is interesting. Why are caves formed in limestone? Limestone is porous, limestone is permeable, limestone dissolves in water, limestone catches fire. Limestone dissolves in water. Remember when we were talking, those who were here yesterday and we were discussing it, and I was asked a very good question on how it happens. So well done, good job. Do stalactites rise from the floor or hang from the ceiling of limestone caves? Just choose hang from the ceiling or rise from the floor. Well done. They hang from the ceiling, the stalactites. The stalagmites are the opposite. Well done, guys. Good job. Good effort. Sedimentary rocks were once limestone. Is this true or false? Good job. Almost half. It is true. The sedimentary rocks are limestone is made from sedimentary rock. Okay. So if you didn't know that, you've learned something new today, and that's the point as well. The thing doing the dissolving, what do we call that? Do we call it solubility, solute, solvent, kinetic? What do we call it? Very good. The thing doing the dissolving is the solvent. Okay, like water is a solvent. It dissolves the solute. Right. So now let's see. Melting is not the same as dissolving. Is this true or false? It is true. They are two different processes. Melting has to happen at a very high temperature, and a solid is being changed to a liquid. Dissolving is when the liquid absorbs the solid into itself. Now, let's see. How can you speed up the dissolving process? Heat it, eat it, beat it, leave it. There we go. We have to heat it. We have to heat it. Well done. Good job. Which is not a way to speed up the dissolving process. So not a way. You don't use this way to speed up dissolving. Cooling. Very good. We can increase dissolving by stirring. Remember I said you can stir something, agitate it. Okay, so if you agitate it, you can dissolve it. If you heat it up, you can dissolve it. And obviously, if you give it more surface area. But cooling something down doesn't help with dissolving. Guys, why are we fighting today? It's really unnecessary. Just concentrate on the game and forget about the chat, okay? Right, let's have a look. Is the Kool-Aid dissolving or separating from the water? Very good. We use it needs to dissolve because Kool-Aid is like a juice. It's like a concentrate or like a powder that you add to water to make juice. So yeah, definitely dissolving. Good job. And for those that didn't know that, well, you've learned something today. So that's awesome as well. Okay, this is a very complicated picture, so just concentrate on the question. A solute is the one doing the dissolving. A solute is the one doing the dissolving. Is that true or is that false? It is false. You're right. Remember previously we said that the solvent does the dissolving? Okay. So the solute is the thing being dissolved. It doesn't do the dissolving. Now, what do we have next? What is the process of melting? What is the process of melting? Is a change from gas to liquid, change from solid to liquid, change from liquid to gas, change of solid to gas. Very good. Melting is a change from solid to liquid. Nicely done. The sun is shining and the what are melting? The popsicles, the icicles, the icicles, the acicles. This is a funny one. The icicles are melting. The icicles are melting. Okay, because the popsicles, they will only melt if you are actually outside having a lollipop. But in nature, the icicles, when the sun shines on them, they will be the one melting. That was quite a tricky one. Right, melting is a solid turning into a gas. Is this true or false? It is false. It is false. Well done. Good job. Now we are on the last one. 33. Is a candle wax melting a chemical or physical change? What do you think? It is a physical change. Well done. Well done. That was a tricky one, though. That was definitely a tricky one. Well done, guys. You participated well today. Thank you so much. Look at this. Let's see. Don't feel bad if you didn't come high on the leaderboard or if there's a lot you didn't know. We were just trying to test our knowledge and practice. Okay, so the main thing is that you enjoyed the game, that you enjoyed learning something from it. All right, so well done to those that were helping others. Well done to those who played the game nicely. And so I'm going to end our lesson today on this good note. I look forward to our next lesson and I hope we have a nice relaxing weekend, okay? And try and get some rest, all right? I want you to be in a very, very good mood when you come back and see me again. I am going to miss you guys, but I do hope you have a nice rest and a nice weekend. And I will chat to you in the next lesson. So bye.